Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to add, move and remove home screen widgets from your POCO X6 Pro. So let's start with editing a new one. What you're gonna need to do is to hold your finger on a free zone on your screen. For me, it's gonna be like here or here. Let's let it be here. So, and here you will see widgets. And here you have a variety options what you can add. I will just go with the first one, cleaner, and we're just pressing tick right here and it's done. Now we added a new widget on our home screen, so let's try to move it. What we're gonna need to do is to hold again on a free zone on our screen. And we just need to hold the widget that we want to move from one screen to another, and right here. And see, we just moved a widget from the first screen to the second one. And let's try to remove the widget. So what you're gonna need to do is to press the icon you want to remove and just press remove. And it's done. Amazing, right? I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.